Sickness in the workplace has always been a concern. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has provided data showing that absenteeism costs employers $225.8 billion annually, or $1,685 per employee. Until the coronavirus pandemic, many companies were relying on traditional janitorial services with vacuums, mops, and rags. Since the pandemic, though, everything has changed. Reports show that more than half of post-pandemic respondents are now worried about being in close proximity to colleagues. More than half anticipate spending less time in common areas of the office, and nearly 80% want better cleaning procedures. Clearly, traditional janitorial services alone are not enough to combat the coronavirus and associated fears, nor are traditional janitorial services enough to combat other dangerous viruses, bacteria, infections, or mold. Let's Fog Cleaning Services has the solution. It's called electrostatic fogging disinfection, but it's not just a fancy name. Our process utilizes a liquid disinfecting solution dispensed by electrostatic sprayers. This solution is EPA compliant and helps to combat mold, viruses like coronavirus, norovirus, and influenza, bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli, and infections like MRSA. Our electrostatic sprayers use positive and negative charges to ensure the disinfecting solution electromagnetically sticks to porous, non-porous, and food contact target surfaces, allowing for 360-degree even coverage. Imagine that, every single surface covered with safe disinfectant. There's no way traditional janitorial services can compare. In addition to eliminating human error and cross-contamination, Let's Fog Cleaning Services provides improved compliance standards, reduced outbreaks, boosted employee happiness and success, and increased customer confidence, all while utilizing simpler, safer technology and disinfectant solutions. Many different types of facilities can benefit from Let's Fog Cleaning Services, from athletic facilities and commercial offices to medical facilities and schools. The application time varies depending on the size of the building, but the electrostatic fogging disinfection process takes only 10 minutes to thoroughly disinfect. After that, the building is ready for use again. We would love to speak to you about your facility and specific needs. Contact Let's Fog Cleaning Services today for a free quote.